Hello everyone, in this video we're going to solve percent yield and actual yield. So in problem number 1 we have a 40 grams of propane burned in air to produce 70 grams of carbon dioxide. Calculate the theoretical yield and percent yield. So first step again is we're going to make a reaction, the combustion reaction. So number 1, problem number 1. This is a combustion reaction. Combustion reaction. Right? So we have a C3H8 here. So this is a propane. C3H8. Propane. In organic chemistry. So let's make the reaction, the combustion. So C3H8 reacts to plus oxygen gas reacts to carbon dioxide plus water. And then we need to balance the equation. We have a carbon here is 3, so you write 3 here. And hydrogen is 8, so you write 4 here. We have a 2 here, so you write a 4. 4 times 2, which is 8. So in oxygen, 3 times 2 is equals to 6. And 4 times 1, which is 4. So 6 plus 4, which is 10, divided by 2, which is 5. So the answer is 5. Okay? So the reaction is balanced. And then we need to calculate the theoretical yield. Theoretical yield. And then we have a 70 grams of carbon dioxide produced. So meaning this is an actual yield. Actual yield is equals to 70 grams of carbon dioxide. And we need to calculate the theoretical yield. So theoretical yield is equals to, we have 40 grams of propane here. So 40 grams of C3H8 times the molecular mass. We need to calculate the molecular mass first. Now here, so molecular mass of C3H8 is equals to 3 times 12.01 plus 8 times 1.008, and then 3 times 12.01 plus 8 times 1.008 is equals to 44.01 grams per mole of C3H8. And we have the molecular mass of carbon dioxide, which is 44.01 again, grams per mole of carbon dioxide. So, times the molecular weight, we have 44.01 here. So, 44.01 grams of propane. And then we have a 1 mole of propane times the reaction, which is 1 mole of propane here. So 1 mole of propane and we have a 3 moles of carbon dioxide. So 3 moles of carbon dioxide, and then times 1 mole of carbon dioxide, and then 44.01 grams of carbon dioxide here. So is equals to, cancel out the grams here, the moles, and the moles of carbon dioxide here will be cancelled, and the left is grams. So from 40 divided by 44.01 times 3 times 44.01 over 1, so is equals to 120 grams of carbon dioxide. So this is your theoretical yield. And how about your percent yield? Percent yield, so percent yield, this is a formula of percent yield equals to actual yield over theoretical yield. Times 100%. So percent yield, actual yield here is 70 grams of carbon dioxide. So 70 grams of carbon dioxide divided by 120 grams of carbon dioxide. So we have a 120 grams of carbon dioxide times 100%. So cancel out each grams. So 70% yield equals 70 divided by 120 times 100%. So equals 58.33%. So that is your yield, percent yield. Okay, that's all. I hope it would help you, and please like and subscribe.